Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku puzzle. In additional, not in the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 11th, November the 11th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday the 12th, November the 12th. But I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional in the weekend edition. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the additional of Friday, November the 10th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star, and this one, the Sudoku with 2 stars. Alright, Sudoku with 2 stars. And this will be a number 7436. 7436. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct. Yeah. A 2 stars puzzle has 26 printed digits. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So, let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 6? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So on the row below, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, let me position the camera because I'm having troubles with the camera. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have 6 in this column, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 1, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 8, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. Okay. Then 1, 1. Well, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in the last row could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the last row should be there. Then. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in the last row. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2, 7, 9. Then. How about? Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. here or there. We see another 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. And now. How about the 7? Well. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay, and now. No 4 here. 4. 4, 4. Okay. How about need an 8 there. Need a 3 here. 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. And we have 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left of the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Okay, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. Alright. We have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square of numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have 1 and a 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column? No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. Missing the 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now I can recount. When all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Now. How about 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah, we have 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes, and there, 7. Need a 7 there. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. These two boxes can be 7 because we have 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 7. I need more information. Insufficient information right now. Yes, 209. Okay, and now. How about the number? 2 missing numbers in this big square. Front of us, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column, I believe, for the 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Yeah, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, and 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. So now let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1 is missing. And 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Don't think so. Let me give this a 0 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, so we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.